YouTube channel na to. So, dahil napanood mo itong video na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated sa mga iba ko pang videos. So, ngayon, dahil ano natin, first vlog natin ito, ang gagawin natin ngayon is i-release ko ang sabka. I-introduce ko yung sabka gamit ang ito. May mga ilang tatanong na ating sasagutin. Kaya, simulan na natin. So, question number 1. Remember ko pala. Ito na lang. If you continue to well, what do you think will be the result? Will you become famous or not? Maybe not. Maybe yes or maybe not. Bahala na. Maybe, pag inano to, pag nagtuloy-tuloy to, pag tinuloy, hindi maging famous ako or maaaring hindi. Question number 2. What is your favorite song? Heart Attack by Heart Attack and Love Story. What will you call to your fans? Siguro na lang mga marosas. Hello mga marosas. Medyo ba ako? Mahina boses ko kasi ito lang. Ito na talaga ikakalakas ko. Ano pang question number 2? Do you have cat or dogs? Dogs. I have 2 dogs. Meron kaming 2 dogs. Question number 5. What is your age? Ang age ko po ay 11 years old. 11 years old ako. Ang bata. Sabi nila hindi halata. Mayaman dahil sa akin, pupandak ako. Ayun ka. Stop. Okay, continue. Mara. Ayan, dyan. Question na natin. 2, 3, 4. Question number 6. Why did you think of starting a vlog? Naisip ko mag-start na ng vlog. Kasi parang gusto ko makapasaya na ibang tao. Okay. Sorry, nag-stop. Ni-stop ko talaga. Question number 7. Tama ba? 2, 4, 6. Question number 7. What are the names of your siblings? Jedrick, Gerald, John Mark. Nilalagay ko lang sa pangalan namin. Question number 8. What is your favorite food? Of course, sinigang. Number 9. This pa natin. Question number 9. Gagawin pa sa What is your dream job when you finish school? I think I will be a teacher na lang. Or ganun. Teacher na lang siguro. Parang ganun na ako. Nagigilan ako paano mag-teacher. Question number 10 na tayo. What grade are you now? I'm grade 6. What is your phone name? My phone name is Julius Crizame Bertuccio Sanchez. Kaya nilagay ko na lang sa YouTube Lucy Sanchez. Makabaan. Baka hindi nyo ma-pronounce yung name ko. Kasi HJ. What is your favorite thing to do? Sleep. And sleep. Then playing my keyboards. What is your favorite flower? Tulips and roses. Di na ako nabibigyan. Nakakalimutan ko. What are you so afraid of? Maluluwa. Teka lang. Lipat ko lang kayo dyan. Para malakas ko din naman yung konti yung boses ko. And 4 questions na lang naman tayo. Ito na lang. 3 question na lang yan. What type of sports do you like? Badminton. Para pag nakakasama. Lakas ng pala. Pag nakakasali ako dyan, nasisira yung string. Okay, ilang pala per question. 4 na lang to. So, kanina 5 questions tayo na. So, 4 questions na lang to. How many siblings are you? 3. 3. Apat kami lahat. Oo, 4 kami lahat. Hindi kami 3. 4. Ano pa? Ayan. How many siblings are you? 4. 4 kami magkakapatid. Favorite movie? Titanic. Jack. Jack, where's the boat? When is your birthday? March 27, 2013. What is your favorite color? pink, and purple. So, yun na yung last costume. Wala na.
Ano ko, wala nang... Oh, wala
So,
nang parang tayo.
muna dito na itong video kasi may gagawin pa ako. So, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.